Have you ever tried embroidery on paper? Today, I'll show you how to create 3 beautiful paper embroidery notebooks with a beginner-friendly kit. No drawing skills are needed. The notebook comes with a pre-printed heat-erasable pattern, so you can simply punch the holes and start stitching. The kit includes everything you need to create your own embroidered Kraft notebooks. 3 A5 Kraft notebooks with pre-printed heat-erasable patterns, felt punching pad, beginner guide book with video, tutorials and backup patterns, DMC embroidery floss, embroidery needles, scissors, hole marking pins, threader, stitch practice cards. It is designed for beginners who want to enjoy a relaxing and creative handmade project. Before stitching, prepare the notebook by punching holes along the printed pattern. Keep the spacing even to make your embroidery stitches look clean and consistent. Chain stitch tutorial, you can use back stitches too. Bring the needle in at hole 1. Insert out into hole 1, leaving a loop. Bring the needle in at hole 2 through the loop and pull gently to create a chain. Insert out into hole 2, leaving a loop. Continue, insert into the previous loop. Pull gently to create a chain until finished. Keep the loops even to create a neat chain line. Running stitch tutorial. Bring the needle in at hole 1. Insert the needle out at hole 2. Continue 3 and 4 out, 5 and 6 out, until finished. Keep the stitch length even to create a neat dashed line. Back stitch tutorial. Bring the needle in from the back at hole 2. Insert the needle out at hole 1. Continue 3 in 2 out, 4 in 3 out, until finished. Each stitch goes back to the end of the previous stitch. Repeat this step to create a smooth, continuous line. French knot stitch tutorial. Bring the needle in from the back. Hold the thread and wrap it around the needle 2 times. Hold the thread to keep the wraps tight and do not let them loosen. Insert the needle back into the same hole and slowly pull the thread tight to create a small knot. The number of wraps controls the size of the knot. To remove the heat erasable pattern, gently apply heat with a heat gun or hair dryer. Do not try this step before completing your embroidery. Slightly adjust the hole placement around leaf tips and curves for a more natural embroidery look. Slightly staggered, closely spaced holes to prevent tearing and keep the paper intact during stitching. The first design uses the chain stitch for the outline. For the second design, we'll use the back stitch. Feel free to choose your favorite stitch style based on your personal preference. The inner details also use the running stitch. Like the second design, the third one can be finished with just the back stitch and running stitch. Here are the finished paper embroidery notebooks. A simple craft notebook can become a unique handmade piece with just a few stitches. This makes a thoughtful handmade gift or a relaxing creative hobby project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more free tutorials. Get your free practice patterns via the link in the description.